Hi there. Orange Monkey, the company behind the popular Foldio light box and Foldio360 turntable, has just unveiled its latest product photography studio. Meet the Foldio360 Smart Dome, an all-in-one solution for capturing 360 degrees product photos, animations, and videos at home. The Foldio360 Smart Dome is essentially a hybrid of all the Foldio products released so far, an all-in-one light dome, turntable, and companion app that should enable anyone to capture 360 degrees photos with ease, as long as your product is small enough to fit inside. Products inside the Smart Dome can be captured from above or in front, and the dome shape promises even lighting with no problematic reflections. The color temperature of the light inside can be adjusted through the app, and you can even use the app itself to capture and export 360 degrees photos using your phone, in case you don't have, or don't want to use, a more professional camera and a PC. The Smart Dome also comes with two magnetic covers, which can be used on either the front or the top. The standard cover is just a standard cover. But the other option includes sliding windows so that you can close off your product more completely, as well as some convenient indentations for hanging a necklace. Finally, the actual dome stand, the 3 feet that keep the dome elevated, includes a 3/8-inch male thread so that you can attach a ball head directly to the dome. This obviously won't hold a big DSLR, but it makes a lot of sense for shooting 360 degrees videos or photos using a smartphone.